Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make rollerblade wheels spin faster. These will be step-by-step instructions in an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. I'll be going over 3 easy things that you can do to make your rollerblade wheels spin faster. I apologize, I said 3 easy things, but there's actually 4. So you're getting a bonus in this video. I was looking at my notes and I saw the first 3, I didn't see the 4th, but there are indeed 4. So let's go over these, and you don't need to do all of them, but I do recommend that you do at least a couple. You don't want to only do one, you want to do at least a couple of them, okay? So number 1, the most important thing that you can do is to clean the rollerblade wheel bearings, okay? So inside of these wheels right here, there are wheel bearings which allow them to spin. Now you'll be able to see that some wheel bearings are in better condition than others. So look at how much this one spins compared to that one. That one too, right? And that's like, so this is like the best, this is like the worst, in the middle, and another kind of worst one over there, okay? So clean them up, because you use these in dirty environments, right? There's, dirt, soil, debris, dust, all sorts of stuff when you're rollerblading, unless you're using them only indoors. And even so, you're probably still gonna get them a little bit dirty. Clean the rollerblade wheel bearings. It's the best thing that you can do. And then once you've cleaned them, you wanna follow it up with number 2, which is to grease the rollerblade wheel bearings with your favorite wheel grease. Now, there are so many options. I don't want to go over options because you literally can do your own research and find out what wheel grease works for your rollerblades. But I do recommend that you stay away from the general, lubrication things that will work on like door hinges and stuff like that, because they work, but you want to go for one that's specific to wheels and wheel bearings. It will last longer. It will be more resistant to all of the dirt and stuff on the road and wherever you're rollerblading, and just generally it'll be a better choice. You can use any lubricant, but I would recommend that you choose one specifically for wheels and wheel bearings, okay? Number 3 is if you have new rollerblades, okay? So essentially, you want to break them in, okay? New rollerblade wheels are not meant to spin fast. They are going to be slow because they're not broken in. The wheel bearings there's lubricant in them, but they haven't been moved around, they haven't been broken in. So allow yourself at least I'd say 5 solid hours of rollerblading before you consider them to be like broken in enough that the wheels should be spinning decently fast, okay? So break them in if they're new, because if they're not spinning fast and they're, pretty new, then, make sure you ride with them quite a bit before you make any assumptions about the wheels themselves. And last but not least is number 4, which is to tighten up the wheel bolts over here. And I'll tell you why. When these are, I know it seems counterintuitive because you're like, I'm tightening them, the wheels are going to spin slower. That's not the case. When these are loose, the wheels vibrate. When the wheels vibrate, they're going to spin slower because of the vibration, okay? So I can feel this one over here is just moving a little bit more than this one, which is probably the reason why this spins so nicely and this spins and slows down. So it can also be the spacers inside of here. So you want to look at the spacers, make sure the spacers have enough space and they're not broken apart or worn down. But definitely tighten up this bolt and look at the spacers, sort of see what you can do with that scenario. And that's it. That is how to make rollerblade wheels spin faster. Step-by-step instructions in an easy tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.